So the Boys and Girls Club definitely had a huge impact on who I am today. I don't even know if I can recall in all the ways, but just a few in this short video. Exposure to activities that I just wasn't aware of. Foursquare, foosball were my favorite things to do. Volleyball with Jess, we won the championship. Jess taught me a lot, and I played intramurals in college because of that experience that I had there. Gail in the Keystone Club always encouraged me to believe in myself and my thought process. So whenever I asked her a question, she would rarely answer, and really push me to think of innovative ways to solve my own problems. I always receive tutoring help in the teen room with Diana. Joe has kept in contact with me through all these years, and has encouraged me to continue on pursuing my dreams through Peace Corps, through grad school. The warm meals after school meant a lot, especially since my parents worked. I could always rely on a warm meal, and I was always happy to help Sally out in the kitchen as well. So overall, I had an amazing experience at the Boys and Girls Club. I'm in DC now, so unfortunately I don't get the time to visit as much as I would like, but I always tell everybody how much of a great time and how much the Boys and Girls Club meant to me.